Alright, yeah. Nowadays, so a busy morning, a very exciting morning. Me don't know what I go on at the ear, but me feel it's a good thing what I done. Oakland, at the Oakland Park here, I'm saying great development. Now we see the impact of the development. Yeah. So you know what is gonna be here? That is gonna be a light. Seeing all of them things, we never see them coming. We never see it coming, though. We didn't see it coming. Yeah, well, that's how the work. You can't do everything one time. Just the farmer thing first. Alright, sir. See, but anyway, we are going a little bit further. See, but this is what causing the traffic jam because they have to transfer the traffic over to one side of the road now, rather than two sides. So you have all the blocked up traffic from all the way up the road, so see, yeah, and because you see it the good. Judge a love, man, judge a blessing, judge a people. Understand me? This Jamaica is it. Me not telling a lie. And we really are developed. Anytime the full magnitude of the love we are purchased start push out, this are the place to be and the country to be, virgin. Real talk. Seeing. So we just penetrate on this area, this nice area here. Alright, and see them hard working woman there. Very hard working, shoveling everything. Seeing great strength out here. We need them because here we know it's a difference with a woman. It's a confidence with a woman. So you don't want certain things to expose. I mean, we out in the public, yeah. Hard working men and hard working people. And the development of Jamaica, the world needs to see. I don't care with no boy. World, Jamaica's beauty to the world. Understand me? Up move. Yeah, man. And with the right here, so with the Oakland area again, and then you see the Oakland Park development. Yeah, you see the developments. Alright. And Constance Road. Yeah. So that's over there. And what I road there, what is the name? I'm gonna make you know. I'm gonna go up on the other side. Bless up. Alright, so you can see it. Everything on the side pave off, double pavement gone on it, down. You see it, polish off. Okay, good thing.
Side corner the girl them artboard them say them want it more and more, so we just pour it out for sure.
See
juice. In come the thing called the natural juicy. Come on. Juicy.
So they probably gonna put another light. You see? And temper them, cause them want them supply though, them put up look a temper, them look temporary to me, you know, I'm not tell, cause them not anchor down in the ground really properly. Even the one of me look on over there, so on the side there. See? But these instead of putting the divider style column like up there, so we're watching development as it continues. Daniel Marshall on the infrastructure work, bringing the things they need to know. You know, the beautiful island of Jamaica. Yo, yeah, Jamaica. See, up movement, holy power, see. You feel, me not tell a lie, me love the road up. But even when me know, me can't, because everything we do, me love it. Yeah, everything I do, me love it. If me don't love it, if I me not do it. And when me start do a thing from the love and then it start get bitter, me drop it. I know say I see him when my little sister stay. Yeah man, see him when my little sister stay. She accomplished so much things. And then she move on to another accomplishment and another conquering again. You know, That's so you find. Blessed look, Daniel Marshall on the infrastructure work. Not me to talk too much. I want to need to overweight the thing, but just make you see the development and the happenings on the road. But now I go too further from here, so right here, so I want me to go because we can't find out where the traffic stop, why the traffic can jam up, and it's because of this area, right? So because the traffic have to be transferred from one side of the road to the next side of the road. So when you used to have one side of the road, two sides of the road active is only one side, and so it causes a congestion in the morning, yeah. Seeing and everybody rush hour. About what time now? I don't know, probably about 8:30, 9 o'clock. Them time there. Yeah, I think so about them time there. And very high traffic. So the more the road develop, or the more the country will develop, because people can get back and forth to work more quicker, so people can get more productive, can get more production out of the people. Seeing, and this with that. Seeing, so with even when we talk about the overhead crossing bridge, pedestrian overhead crossing bridge, a good thing, because it ease up the congestion of traffic, and it free up a whole heap of space on the road. Seeing, and sometimes even when you do your survey, you can go up on them bridge there, use your spine camera or whatever, and do your survey and monitor the thing. Seeing, yeah. So I just said, come on, Daniel Marshall on the infrastructure work. All peace and love, brethren. Yeah, all truth and honor. See, up move, Jamaica on the rise and the development. Left hand drive vehicle that you know, but your man over it good enough. Your man over it good. Yeah, cause you have people with ability still, you know, and disability. We talk about the abilities foundation. Training and development center out there, so yeah man. Blessed love, Daniel Marshall on the infrastructure work. Do remember to share the video, do remember to like the video, do remember to subscribe to my channel, and do remember to support the videos. Support the videos. Support it. Not being easy out doing out this work. Cause me's a flagger to, you know, I'm good for it, you know, yeah. And the people them respond to me in a good way, because we know if we respond to people and correspond to people and command the authority. Yeah man, and take control. Yeah, you have to have that love in your heart. If you don't have the love in your heart, you cannot deal with the magnitude of people out here in the traffic. And you know, so we have a thing with the road rage, seeing like what caused the taxi man life and the busman, the innocent busman life. Understand me? We have to try, man. I mean, even I tell myself, try control yourself, Daniel. Try control yourself. You know, when them disrespect you sometimes, just make it go on. Cause life goes on. Life goes on. You know, if I try to take up my time on my own hand at times, because me's a man, I've grown better still, and here I am at 55 years old. So I must have been doing a good thing. Yeah, I must have been doing a good thing. Coming up through the things that I have come up through. So Daniel Marshall there upon the infrastructure work, and you see where the jam up of the traffic started right there, so because you probably have a four lane traffic and try squeeze in a one lane to go through in this and now. Understand me? So the 4 lane starts squeeze up from over there, so because the road work, they might do some fixing up for the road, so we start put down the second layer upon it. And it have to go on. So you hear that the one there blow him on? Look. Yeah, look. Look on it. Look, just look. They need governors, you hear that? They need governors. Govern them and direct them and protect them from themselves. Understand me? You can never leave us up to ourselves. Cause right now we push it, you know, we come up and we love run against and compete. Yeah man. We build for competition, you know. I'm raw. If you never know, Jamaicans build for competition, Baba. Okay? You see how Usain Bolt won? Rotted. And believe me, greater things could have come up out of Usain Bolt if he had greater competition. For him, you know, see the heart of the battle, the seat of the victory. Man, build for competition, man. When him done, him have whole heap of reserve energy, yes, him just can't beat in chest. You know, see it? If he's a champion and you go to your ultimate and be a champion, when you're done run, you know no time for your beat chest. You drop and go and roll for catch back your breath and all them thing there. So when the man a beat him chest, I show you some whole heap of thing left back, you know. Yeah, so we need a protector, we need a guider, we need a governor, real president that love the people and know the people, yeah, and set out his warriors and his commanding officers and his soldiers to govern the town, govern the city, protect them from themselves. You know, see it. Serve and protect. Yeah, man. So it come like so the traffic light, them inactive. It's like, you understand what I'm saying? Alright? Unless the policeman them designated to come here, sir, them have to just go up on them duty. And them unman. Police, them need whole heap of police in there. Whole heap of police. Now police was the government. The government is Andrew Holness. I do a thing now. Him just open up the police. Him just open up the police service to the citizens of them. Real talk. Entice them, induct them. All man like me would have gladly go if me have a chance too old. So you just open it up. Hi, you wanna be on my camera? Hi, bless up. See, nice talk, man. Good look, Jamaica. Very good look. Yeah, you know, see no whole heap of whole car nowadays though. Don't. Remember back in the days I want whole heap of whole car. Look on all of my Benz, yeah. My sweet, nice, a coupe that, down. All them a Ranger, them nice vehicle, yeah. Yeah, man. Bless up. Welcome to the world. Them nice bus there. Punch is looking very good, very upscale. And we're moving on up. Yeah. See the attention of me I get right now on the camera, yeah. And them know I'm doing a good thing. Jamaica development, upscale. Yes, so you have 4 lane of traffic, and then you have them 2, yeah. I try to compete with that one little space, but it have to go on. You have to go on. You have to get in line. See? So whole it more people need to do what you imply. Whole it more people. And so I come on and create your work. Because this video vlogging thing, you know, is a job, you know. If someone of you don't help me, because I have a lot of promises and a lot of offer. You know, I'm not a fool, and me not give up. Me not don't give up on the people. Alright? Alright. The traffic looks like it kinda cool down, you know. Traffic look like kind of cool down, you know. So Daniel Marshall up and out. Seeing bless up.